Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the Fire TV ready. Update the OS now so the VPN app installs cleanly. Once done, pick a VPN that offers a native Fire TV app and write down your username and password. This saves time. If you must sideload, enable apps from unknown sources and install the downloader app. Make sure your Amazon account region matches the app availability. Changing region can be necessary. You want a stable Wi-Fi connection. Pause other downloads to avoid interruptions. You now install and configure the VPN. Search the Amazon App Store for the provider's app and install it. If not available, use Downloader to sideload the APK. After launching, sign in and accept required permissions so the VPN can run in the background. Then choose a server. Pick a nearby server for speed or a target country to access region-locked content. Make sure the VPN's kill switch or network protection is enabled if available. This prevents IP leaks when the VPN drops. You finish by testing and troubleshooting. Open a browser or streaming app to confirm your IP and location changed. Play content that was previously blocked. If the app flags a proxy or you see playback errors, restart the VPN and the Fire TV. That often resolves DNS or routing glitches. If problems continue, switch to another server, clear the streaming app's cache, and re-authenticate the VPN. If none of that works, contact the VPN's support with logs. They can identify provider-specific fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.